Okay, so for exterior photos, if this was an active listing, I would go inside and ask the homeowners to please open up all the blinds. It'll make it look better. But another trick I have is I use a tilt shift for all exterior photos. I do not put a tripod out here because for me, I'd probably trip and fall. So this is the Nikon 24mm tilt shift on an old D750. I move the tilt shift up and down so that I'm in the rules of thirds. Third sky, third house, third yard. I do try to use trees to frame pictures. On my exteriors, this is a community amenity. So this is the original first house in Embry Mill, and this is the land that Embry Mill sat on. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, so today I'm doing a model home for a national builder. I have my trigger on top and I'm using the Cam Ranger. Most of the shots I do tend to take a lot of 1-points. And when I add lighting, I actually put a light down in the kitchen so that will light up the family room. And then I have my other light here, which will light up this main foyer. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the picture. Again, I'm gonna do a 1-point, so that means I'm gonna have everything lined up perfectly on the string on the light all the way down to the table. Now we're gonna add some light. I'll go behind the window since this is where the lighting is coming out. And now we got the light from the direction that we needed it to come from. This one I am gonna take it angled. I kinda like it. On the Cam Ranger, I can make sure that all my lines are straight and I have everything in the frame that I really want in the frame. Okay, again, this kitchen, absolutely fabulous kitchen here built by Dries Homes. I need to go into the family room to draw some more light towards the kitchen because we have a lot of big windows here. This is a nice thing that we offer. This is iGuide. iGuide comes out of Canada. iGuide does 360 with included floor plans, and we do offer the premium floor plans. Premium floor plans, they are going to draw all the cabinets, the kitchen islands, your sinks, all the bathroom fixtures and everything onto the floor plans. So it will give us a 360 view, which is kind of cool. But then also, it's already starting to give us the floor plan. What I like about iGuide, it's easy to move around, put it down to where I think it needs to go next. That looks like a good spot. We're gonna do more so lights off. So if you ever look in a magazine, they're never gonna have the lights on for the fixtures. Because if these are lit, you cannot see the details of the fixtures. Don't need those lamps on, because if I put those lamps on, that's a different color compared to that color light, compared to the lights above. Too many different colors. We're just gonna use flash in order to put lighting where we want our own lighting to be. Really, the most important thing about a kitchen shot is showing all the features, which are all the appliances. This is kind of cute right here. So what we try to do is we try to grab little detail shots. I'm going to take a photo on an angle as we are going to pull that centerpiece towards the camera. And that took how many seconds? Just a handful of seconds for us to make sure it's going to give us that nice designer look that we like.